Have you ever wondered what the University of Nairobi boys hostel room actually looks like? Is it worth staying on campus? Today I will give you a complete room tour and I will show you everything you need to know before joining. Let's get started. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Iprox. I create videos that help university students in Kenya. Make sure you subscribe because I post useful content about campus life, university guides and student success. Let's begin with the entrance. As you walk in, you will notice the room is simple but practical. Every student gets enough space to study and relax. Here is the bed where students sleep. Most students have their mattress, bed sheets, blanket and pillow to make the room more comfortable. Next is the study area. This room has where you can do your assignment, online classes and exam preparations. A good study setup makes campus life much easier. On this side, on the other side, you have where clothes, shoes and personal belongings are cleaned up. This is enough for basic student needs. Depending on the hostel, student might share the room with one or more roommates, making it a great opportunity to make new friends. Outside the room, you will find a toilet, watering tap and also a good weather that will make you more relaxed. In this room tour, I will rate 6 out of 10, and in your opinion, rate also in the comment section. Thanks for watching.